Hello dear, how are you all? Today in this video we will solve two simple questions about the volume and surface area of right circular cylinder. From figure it is given that height of cylinder which is 8 centimeter and radius of cylinder which is 3 centimeter. We have to find surface area of right circular cylinder and volume. First we find volume. We write radius will be equal to 3 centimeter, height of cylinder will be equal to 8 centimeter. You know volume of right circular cylinder will be equal to pi r square h. Volume pi r square h. Pi 22 by 7 times r, which is 3. We write scale of 3 times its height will be 8 centimeter. After simplification we will get 3.14 times 9 times 8. After multiplying its answer, we know when we multiply 3.14 multiply 72, 226.08 cubic centimeter. Its volume 226.028 cubic centimeter. We now find surface area of the cylinder. The surface area of the cylinder will be equal to surface area. We write surface area. Surface area will be equal to 2 pi r times r plus h. Total surface area of right circular cylinder will be equal to 2 pi r times r plus h, where h is height and r is the radius. As given, we write 2 times of 3.14 times its radius 3, multiply 3 plus h will be 8. We write 6.28 times 3 plus 8 11 3 is 33. When you multiply 6.28 multiply 33, you will get 207.24 scale centimeter. We always write for scale, for area it's used scale centimeter, and for volume cubic centimeter. In this way we can find simple volume of right circular cylinder and surface area of right circular cylinder. After this we will solve very simple next question. In this question, two cans that hold vegetables are shown. I mean to say we have two cans have same quantity contains in both cans. Both cans contain same quantity of vegetables, can A and can B. If each can hold the same amount of vegetables, what is the height of A? In this statement it is given that can A having its circular radius 1, its height we have to find its height. For can B it is given that its radius will be 2 and its height which is 1. But very important information is given that both can have the same quantity contains. Both can contain the same quantity. I mean to say that volume of both contains is equal. It is given that volume of both cans has same. So we write here Question 2. for can A, we write for can A radius which is equal to 1 centimeter. Its height we have to find its height. For can B, its radius 2 centimeter, while its height which is 1 centimeter. It is given that both cans contain the same vegetables. I mean to say that both cans have the same volume. So we write volume of can A will be equal to volume of can B. So volume of can A pi r square h will be equal to pi r square h, but the value of radius and height will be different for both. We cancel pi from both sides. R for can A will be equal to 1. We write square of 1 times h. R of radius of can B, for can B radius of which is 2, we write 2 square. But height of can B which is height 1. So 1 times h is equal to square of 2 which is 4 centimeter. Since in this way height of second can be, height of can A will be equal to 4 centimeter. Thank you. Very simple.